Let's discuss a scenario involving a 120-208 volt Y three-phase electrical system. The question was, can you run 3 3/0 cables to 240 volts three-phase main lug panel from a 120-208 volts Y three-phase 800 amps load center that has a spare 200 amps breaker? The answer is yes. You can run 3 3/0 cables to 240 volts three-phase main lug panel. However, it is critical that you install a 200 amps breaker in the load center to properly protect those cables. Now, regarding the use of a 240 volts three-phase motor on a 208 volts supply, there are important considerations. While it's understood the motor will likely draw more current and potentially overheat, the central question is whether it's permissible under the National Electrical Code, or NEC. The NEC generally does not permit operating a 240 volts three-phase motor on a 208 volts supply. The primary reason is that the motor will draw a higher current than it was designed for when operating at a low voltage. This increased current leads to increased heat generation within the motor windings. Over time, this overheating can degrade the insulation of the motor windings, leading to premature failure. Additionally, the increased current draw can potentially overload the circuit conductors and protective devices, such as circuit breakers or fuses, potentially creating a fire hazard. While a 240 volts motor might function, at least initially, on a 208 volts supply, the reduced voltage impacts the motor's performance characteristics. The motor may not develop its rated horsepower or torque, affecting the driven equipment's operation. It could start slowly or stall under heavy loads. While some motors are specifically designed to operate at both 240 volts and 208 volts, it is crucial to verify the motor's nameplate voltage rating and ensure it is suitable for a 208 volt supply. If the motor is rated for only 240 volts, using it on a 208 volt system is not a recommended practice and may violate the requirements outlined in the NEC and relevant equipment listings. It's vital to consult the NEC and the motor manufacturer's specifications to confirm compliance with applicable regulations and ensure the safe and reliable operation of the motor.